What's it like down there?
Hot as hell. This ship eats coal like cake.
Ma'am, what brings you on this voyage?
To see my daughter before I forget her face.
What do you hope to find once you arrive in the New World?
Freedom, maybe a little love, anything that doesn't come with a locked door.
Where are you headed, ma'am?
To see my grandson in Boston, if this ship behaves.
How's the food down here, far from first-class chandeliers?
Tastes like survival, warm, honest, and more than I had back home.
Is the ship handling well? Should we worry about ice or speed?
She's steady as a prayer, but it's what you don't see that sinks you.
Is this your first time leaving home?
First time, last hope. GMI's this vice.
Do you believe this ship truly deserves its title as the unsinkable marvel of the century?
She's grand. What's it like working deep below, powering this beast across the ocean?
Hot as a furnace in hell, lad, but she breathes fire because we feed her night and day.